Welcome back to Karog 765, the channel where we explore the coolest classic cars, legendary RVs, and vintage machines that still turn heads today. If you love rare American vehicles and classic road trip legends, make sure to subscribe and join the family for more amazing automotive stories. Today we're talking about one of the most unique and futuristic motorhomes ever built in America, the legendary 1978 GMC Motorhome. Even decades later, this machine still looks ahead of its time. While many RVs from the 1970s were large, boxy, and difficult to drive, GMC decided to completely change the game. The result was a sleek, stylish, low-profile motorhome that became an icon of American highways. The 1978 GMC Motorhome was not just another camper. It was a luxury touring machine designed for comfort, stability, and long-distance travel. Built by GMC, this motorhome stood out immediately because it looked more like a futuristic bus than a traditional RV. Its aerodynamic body, smooth lines, and low stance gave it a premium appearance that still attracts attention today. One of the biggest reasons this RV became so popular was its front-wheel drive system. At the time, most motorhomes used rear-wheel drive with heavy truck frames. GMC took a different approach. They used technology from their luxury cars and created a motorhome that handled more smoothly on highways. Drivers often said it felt easier to control compared to many other RVs from the same era. Under the hood, most 1978 GMC motorhomes came with a powerful Oldsmobile 455 cubic inch V8 engine, although some later versions featured the 403 V8. These engines delivered enough power to move the large coach comfortably across America's highways. Whether climbing mountains or cruising across desert roads, the GMC motorhome became known for dependable touring performance. Inside, the luxury feeling continued. This motorhome was designed for travelers who wanted comfort on the road without sacrificing style. Many models included plush seating, wood cabinetry, kitchen appliances, sleeping areas, air conditioning, and even bathrooms with showers. In the late 1970s, owning a GMC motorhome was considered a symbol of adventure and success. Families loved them for road trips, retired couples used them for cross-country travel, and celebrities were even spotted using them. At campgrounds across the United States, the GMC motorhome quickly became one of the most recognizable RVs ever produced. Another thing that made the 1978 GMC motorhome special was its aluminum and fiberglass construction. Instead of using heavy steel bodies like traditional RVs, GMC designed a lighter structure that improved handling and fuel efficiency. It also helped reduce body rust compared to many older motorhomes from that period. One of the coolest features was the low-floor design. Because the drivetrain sat differently from conventional RVs, passengers could easily move around inside without climbing high steps. This made the vehicle feel more modern and user-friendly. Even today, many RV fans are surprised by how advanced the design was for the 1970s. The dashboard also looked futuristic for its time. Drivers had large viewing windows and a bus-like driving position that gave excellent visibility on the road. Long highway trips became more enjoyable because the vehicle felt open and comfortable instead of cramped. Today, the 1978 GMC motorhome has become a collectible classic in America. Enthusiasts restore these vintage RVs and spend thousands of dollars upgrading interiors, engines, and suspension systems. Some owners even modernize them with solar power, smart TVs, modern kitchens, and luxury furniture while still keeping the classic exterior design intact. You can still find GMC motorhome clubs and communities across the United States where owners gather for rallies and road trips. That shows just how legendary this machine has become. Even after more than 4 decades, people are still passionate about preserving these iconic motorhomes. Another reason collectors love this RV is because GMC only produced these motorhomes for a limited number of years. That rarity adds to their value and desirability today. Whenever one appears at a classic RV show or vintage car event, it usually becomes one of the biggest attractions. In movies and social media videos, the GMC motorhome often represents the golden era of American road travel. It reminds people of a time when families explored the country on long summer adventures, stopping at national parks, beaches, and campgrounds along the way. Compared to many modern RVs, the 1978 GMC motorhome still has a unique personality. Modern motorhomes may offer more technology, but very few have the same timeless style and charm. Its futuristic body design still looks impressive today, proving that GMC engineers were truly ahead of their time. For classic vehicle lovers, this motorhome is more than transportation. It represents freedom, adventure, engineering creativity, and the dream of exploring America's endless highways. Whether parked at a campground or cruising down Route 66, the GMC Motorhome continues to capture attention everywhere it goes. If you ever visit a classic RV event in the United States, there's a good chance you'll see one of these beautiful machines restored to perfection. And once you see it in person, you'll understand why fans still admire it after all these years. The 1978 GMC Motorhome remains one of the most innovative RVs ever created. It combined luxury, engineering, and futuristic styling into one unforgettable package. Even today, many people believe it was one of the greatest motorhomes America ever built. Thanks for watching at Carog765. If you enjoyed this video and love classic American vehicles, vintage RVs, and legendary road machines, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss another adventure. See you in the next video.